Yes, welcome everybody to another episode of the Supercar Diaries, and welcome to our Germany tour. Today we're here in Bremen at Hollmann International. That has got to be one of the biggest luxury car dealers in Europe, possibly even in all of the world. And see exactly what they have in there. Let's go have a look. This car you guys recognize, beautiful F8 Enlago, not to be missed, just gorgeous. If you haven't seen that video, click top right hand side of the screen. But this is going to blow your mind. Behold. There's no time to go into every single car that they have in this room, but we got to say that there is a plethora of Maybachs. There's a Maybach here, there's a Maybach there, Maybach over there, and that's really crazy because they're in excess of €250,000. So there's quite a lot of money standing there, and these cars are just exquisite in every bit of detail. There's some Bentleys, there's a Taycan, there's Porsches over here, and of course here we see the Ferrari SF90. We've made a video on that. If you want to see that, click in the top left hand side of the screen. This one fitted with our NF10 rims, really nice and sort of matte grey black. Love that look, but you can see this car has not been fitted with a sport suspension, in my opinion. Always a necessity, and it is still going to be done in the coming days. So this red one is going to look absolutely fantastic. We can compare this one with the slightly darker grey one. Let me know down in the comments which color is your absolute favorite. I personally would go for the red. It's just Ferrari and red. Lovely combination. This one's got the Fiorano package. You can see on here you got this carbon fiber sort of rear wing, and the thing is that this is almost the only bit that's visible from the Fiorano package. If you look at this one, it doesn't have that, but we are working on and producing a ducktail for this car. So if you don't want to spend around about €50,000 on a Fiorano package just to have a visible carbon fiber wing, then you can get the wing from us and you have a similar look. Also in the Fiorano package you can't have the lift system. So if you take your SF90, fit our carbon parts on it, you can still have the lift system. And if you want to have a lift system in your Fiorano package, then we can do that for you as well. The loudest of loudest monsters, the Lamborghini Aventador SVJ. This car has such a presence, not just in the way that it looks, but also in the way that it sounds. I don't need to tell you guys anything about that. And it's one of the only cars, in my personal opinion, that you can add any color of crazy green to it and it's just going to look ridiculously good. Of course, the ALA system here at the back. We've actually done a film on this. It's got a really loud Novitec exhaust. It's one of the reasons why they kicked us off at the airport, saying that it's louder than a plane. If you haven't seen that film, clickety-click, you know what to do. Here is a very special Ferrari that unfortunately we can't show you guys, but there's something phenomenal under this skirt. And if we look under this skirt, which we can't do, there's another special car. If your blood pressure has just risen above what's healthy, then you got to stick to it for another couple of weeks, because we are going to make a film on this car. Keep your eyes peeled on the channel. As we said, a great dollop of Porsches. We've got some other amazing cars over here, but I suppose the highlight of all of this has got to be this Porsche 935. This is a race car, and there are very few cars in this room that I'd probably much more rather get into and drive than this one over here. It's just, they made 77 of them all over the world, and 7 of them is invisible carbon fiber. This is one of them, and it is a sight to behold. The intricate details, and you'll see some of that in the car porn that we made, is just incredible. This car, if you look at it from the rear, just go around with the camera, it's stealth bomber meets race car meets Batmobile, a whole bunch of cliches put together, but then rounded off with exquisite beauty. I'll use my pinky just to move this door around. I won't be surprised if this is less than 2 kilos. Way less than 2. It's just super, super, super light. And to drive this car must be an absolute blast. Got the similar steering wheel to the McLaren GTR that we did take out once in one of the films. Click on the top left hand side of the screen. If you want to see how we bought some McDonald's in that car and weren't able to get it into it, then go and have a look at that film as well. Maserati MC20, they've come to the party and they really have done it in quite a bang with the MC20. It's a beautiful car. We've done a video on this just recently. Probably more exciting, not just for us, but also for you guys, is what these cars are going to sound like by the time we've actually done our Novitec works on them. And I think this V6 is going to be something quite special. That one over there has got blue brake calipers, and it is it is rather quite a sight if you just look at the difference between fitting red brake calipers to a car. That one fitted out with red looks so much better. Behold, baby, this is the flex corner. This is where it all happens. Oh my gosh. As a South African, I can tell you this is what you need in your garage if you want to have fun. We've got Landelay, we've got the 6x6 and another 2 Landelays. If you guys have not yet seen our film that we made on the 6x6, you can go onto our channel. I think it was the first film that we published, right? Second film that we published, of course, on the channel. The third film that anyway, so it's just a lovely car, a lot of intricate details that makes it more special. It doesn't just have 6 wheels, but the way that it drives, the way that you can actually plow through your own garden with that, very, very cool. But this is sort of the more luxury version of the Big G, and I say Big G because this is your normal G class. Here we've got another Maybach, which has got gesture recognition. So with certain gestures, you can actually lock and unlock the rear. And this, of course, being the infamous corner of glory for the Holman International cars. You can just go and check them out on Holman International on Instagram. And this is the corner where it all happens. Hundreds and thousands of euros as well as horsepowers you have standing behind me. I think enough said now. Let's get into some car porn. What I just want to show you on one of the Maybachs over here, here we go. Now, apparently, thank you very much, apparently you get a total of 3 different interiors that you can order for this car, which to some is way too little. So Holman have decided to create their own interior version of this car, which is what I'd like to show you right now. Feast your eyes on this. They've done an absolutely exquisite job at just fitting this interior. And I'm pointing this out not just because they did a brilliant job, but because of the fact that we do this as well. You can have any of your supercars interior changed to your personal liking, so just let us know what you want. The rear is, of course, where the party starts, literally when Johnson is taking you out for a drive. And you can sit in there and enjoy the comfort and luxury of what only James Bond is used to, with your iron Maybach pillows. Another interesting about the Maybach GLS is the fact that you can get some of them with, what do they call it again? There's control. Yeah, that chassis, the suspension control. And if you guys have seen some of those American cars that does this, well, these guys with that suspension kit fitted can do that as well. Right, there's also a second hall at Holman International second hall, get it? And that's over there. We're not going to go in there, but it's just to say how gigantic this company actually is, shipping cars worldwide. It's also one of our biggest clients. A lot of Novitec cars actually come over here. So without further ado, if you haven't yet, then subscribe to our YouTube channel. You can follow us on Instagram at Beyond the Cork or Novitec Group or Holman International. The bad boys. No. This is the guys in the team. Come on, put these pretty faces in here. Franz and Chris Caleb. These are just the best buddies. Thank you so much for helping with the camera work. Chris Caleb making fantastic pictures. Go and check out his Instagram account. Lekker, sorry. This guy freaks out when he sees a cool car. What up, boo? Oh, this is the force. And in that way, speak to all the that guy looks like James Bond. So if the camera veers towards the car and ignores me completely, it's because Maurice wishes for nothing more than to have this in his garage.